Paavali Pastila, STT Finnish News Agency. What makes this job more interesting to you than being in Augsburg and maybe building your career in the Bundesliga? Like, what opportunities do you see here in Finland?
For me, one thing that is very attractive is, being the leader, being the head coach. It's something I like because I think I can contribute with a lot of things to not only a team but also an organization, and that is really what made me very interesting in this job. And I'm not the type that, and I think many coaches are in the same place, that you plan your career, then the next step will be this, and then after this I do this. We have one life, and it's about making the choices in the moment when you get them. And then I'm not that, interested in if it's basically not that interested if it's a head coach or an assistant coach. That's also why I took to the Bundesliga as an assistant coach. I came from a head coach job. It was because the project was interesting, and the experience I could get and hopefully help the club was also very attractive, like it is now. Now it's as a head coach, and it's not only for a team but an organization, and I find that very attractive and inspiring. And hopefully I can help. Who knows? Is that okay?